Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a payment method onto your Binance application account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Binance app on your device, and once you are logged in using your credentials, you will end up within the home page. Now if you haven't already added a payment method, then tap on the menu icon at the top left corner, then tap on the gear icon at the top right, and now scroll down until you see the payment section. From here, tap on Payment Methods, and now you can choose from the various different payment methods that you can add. Tap on your desired payment method that you want to add, and then tap on the Add button once again. If you haven't already verified your account, you will need to verify your account first. Then you can choose from the various different payment methods that are available, including your credit or debit card, your bank account, or your PayPal. After choosing your payment method, you will need to enter the credentials of this method that you have chosen. After you have entered all of your credentials, you will need to proceed forward, and once this information has been verified, your payment method will now be added onto your account. After this, anytime you are buying crypto, you can choose this payment method that you have just added in order to make your purchase. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a payment method onto your Binance account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.